Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to get the new gearbox off the new engine, strip it all down, give it a good clean, because as you can see it's quite mucky. Does need a good clean, paint it all up, tidy everything. So this video is more than likely going to be on a time lapse because I can see it taking quite a bit of time. So this is another update for the Escort. Obviously I've got the new engine, which will hopefully be going on the stand in the next couple of days, and then we can work on that. And then heading forward from that, then it's just waiting for the car to come back. So I am going to try and work my way through the old videos of the Escort and put everything into chapters so we know how everything is and try and do it in order. So I'll try my best for that. So thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel to keep up to date. So thank you all, and see you again in the next video. So I've attacked it for a couple of minutes, and as you can see it's cleaning up quite well. So I'm just going to attack this bit now with the drill and a good old grind bit on it, and we'll see how clean we can get it. Hopefully we'll be able to tidy it up quite well. So I'll do a time lapse up of that because obviously there's nothing too interesting. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So we'll give it a good clean for now. It's come up really well, a lot cleaner than I was expecting, with help off my little assistant here.
Hi.
So Jay will be helping me quite a bit with the car. just for you guys to get some sort of idea why I give it a clean. There was quite a lot of mud and muck in there and all around it. So I've tidied it all up now. As you can see, it's a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, and then hopefully I'll give it a good coat of paint. I still need to clean the inside, which we can't see very well on the video. I'll give that a good clean inside there. I've done this side and the top. Obviously we've cleaned this side as well. It's just got a bit of debris. I need to blow it all in a minute. So we'll crack on with this. I'll get some time lapse up. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in a minute in the end.
Bye.
Well, we're back in the garage now. It's the day after the last clip. As you can see, we have got the gearbox painted. I've also painted the top cover. I do want to... I was waiting for the new gasket to arrive. So now I've got the new gasket as well. I can put it all back together. I bought this on eBay. It was only a couple of quid. But it was worth getting one, especially with me redoing most things on the car. So yeah, it's looking a lot cleaner now. I have also cleaned inside here, so it's not as bad as what it was. So thank you all for watching. I'll come back at the end once it's all back together. I'll do a time lapse of me just putting things back on now. So see you guys in a minute. So guys, that concludes the video of me redoing the gearbox and tidying it up and giving it a good clean. I do have quite a lot of bits that I do want to do for the YouTube sides of things. In the next couple of weeks I'll be doing a video of my trustworthy rally car. So I'm going to dig it out, do a talk about it. There's a couple of bits that I want to do because I will be competing in it next year. It has been off the road for quite a while, so there's a few little bits that I need to do. New suspension, check over the brakes, check over everything else. As well as that, in the next week I will be getting the new engine up on the stand, giving it a good clean and tidy up. I want to replace things like this, tidy up the engine, give it a quick clean. Obviously now this engine has come out of a rally car, so it's quite a bit of mud and dirt, and I just want to give it all a good clean and tidy everything up, so when it does come back to the car coming back, everything will be bolted back on, fresh, tidy, clean. It'll put my life at ease. So thank you all for watching. I know this hasn't been the most entertaining video. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. If you want to keep up to date with my future uploads, click on the bell in the top corner. Other than that, thank you everybody for the support. I noticed I'm up to 250 subscribers now, which is fantastic. So thank you everybody for your support, and see you again soon.